Hello, my name's Lissy from Motor Match Stafford, and today's 360 exterior and interior talks on this Mercedes-Benz A Class 1.3 A180h MHEV AMG Line Premium Plus 7G-DCT. This vehicle is a petrol hybrid with an automatic transmission and is also ULEZ compliant. To start off with, then you have your multi-beam LED headlights, which are brilliant for illuminating the road ahead of you, especially in those dark conditions. Along with 19-inch AMG multi-spoke alloy wheels with a silver finish, really complementing against the grey exterior colour. You also have privacy glass located in the rear and cargo area, ensuring any passengers or belongings travelling with you have the privacy they desire for any journey. Moving to your boot space, you have a substantial amount of room. You could easily fit in a medium-sized suitcase or perhaps even your weekly shop. Taking a look at the rear seats, you can find the Artico leather and Dynamic microfiber upholstery finished in black. The middle seat does fold down to provide an armrest, or you could fold it away. Moving through the front, you have your multifunctional steering wheel and infotainment system, and as we pan around again, you can find that lovely upholstery once more, providing you and your passengers with the utmost comfort. This vehicle also features a sliding panoramic sunroof, which is brilliant for allowing all the natural light possible into the cabin, giving the car a nice light feel. The front seats in this vehicle are electronically adjustable, as well as being memory seats, allowing you to find a comfortable position and resume it every time, and they are also heated as well. On your multifunctional steering wheel, you have your hands-free options, volume controls and buttons to change your information panel, as well as your cruise control, ideal for those longer journeys, allowing you to travel at a constant speed. Taking a look at your digital dash, you can see this vehicle has done 5,698 miles, however this is subject to change due to test drives. You also have head-up display, which is a brilliant safety feature as it allows you to see the speed you are travelling at, as well as key information without taking your eyes off the road. On your Mercedes infotainment system, you have everything you need for any journey. Included with this is your Bluetooth connectivity, allowing you to make and receive those important phone calls whilst on the go, ensuring you're never tempted to pick your phone up whilst driving. You also have a navigation system which allows you to plan any journey you may take in this vehicle, ensuring you always take the quickest yet safest route possible to those new destinations. Along with DAB radio, which has all sorts of genres of music suited to everyone, so you are always able to find something to listen to no matter what. In your comfort part, you can find that this vehicle has configurable ambient lighting, allowing you to personalise the vehicle that bit more to you by perhaps picking your favourite colour. As well as this, the seats also have kinetics, allowing the seat to move and adjust slightly, keeping you more comfortable on those longer journeys. You also have a 360 view camera, which allows you to see almost every angle of the vehicle, making manoeuvring and reversing so much easier, especially in those difficult parking situations. Moving to your climate control, you have a dual zone climate, so you are able to individually adjust the temperature, as well as easily adjust the airflow and the airflow direction. This has been a presentation on a Mercedes-Benz A Class 1.3 A180h MHEV AMG Line Premium Plus 7G-DCT that is now available to purchase from Motor Match Stafford. For more information, please contact our sales team.